I had gone to a regular dental office for many years, on and off, and was coming into an awful lot of problems where it seemed like the easier fix for them was to just cap, crown, or pull the tooth. They were not fixing any of the problems that I had. So what I did, I started some research, and I saw the ratings for Dr. Koeppel and his office. Pursued it a little bit further, went to Google, and all the reviews for the office were very good. Now I'm about 20 miles from here, I live, and I figured, well, let me give it a shot. I wanted something done. I wanted my teeth fixed. So I made the appointment and came in from the very beginning, right from meeting with Marie in the office to the girls on the phone. The care seemed so genuine, and it was unbelievable. For anybody who is considering this, it's not a quick fix, but if you want the job done right, you want what I think I have is a really nice smile, it is going to be worth it every step of the way, and they are there with you. I actually had total extraction of all my teeth, and I had a hybrid implant on the bottom and the permanence on the top. I didn't want something that had to come out if I ever had to have surgery or anything like that. I wanted something permanent. I would do it again and recommend it to anybody in a heartbeat.